Good morning, my name is Steve North. I'm an Operations Section Chief with Northwest Team 10 with an operational update. Today on the fire up here in Division Delta, we'll be continuing our processing and decking of the timber that was taken down to provide for the control lines in that area. We'll be conducting a suppression repair on some hand and dozer line up in Division Lima, over here in Tango, over here at the Bulge. Today we're going to be hiking personnel into that area and constructing a hand line at the bottom of that slope there, so when that fire makes its way down the hill, if it ever does, it would hit that control line and provide a way to control that fire up in that area. Moving around the fire, we're going to continue in Division Union and Victor, some repair on public land in that area. Chipping around Cedar Park, up north of Glen Haven. We'll be doing chipping on County Road 43 today. We'll have some flaggers out there. So if you're traveling in that area, please be aware that firefighters will be out in that area. So last night we had a community meeting. There were several questions in regard to fire activity, and specifically a lot of questions about the Thompson zone of the East Troublesome fire. This whole area down in here has very, very minimal fire activity. When we transition from the Type 1 team to the Type 2 team, a Type 4 organization, a local incident management organization, is continuing to manage that. There are resources over there patrolling that area. There's minimal fire activity, and there's no threat that we anticipate from the Thompson zone. If something should arise, we will shift resources from our fire and to assist down in that area. There was also a question about some of this open control line in here. I know it's hard for you to see at home, but on the map that we have when we arrived at the fire, an infrared flight is used to detect heat out on the landscape. At the time the last flight occurred, it showed a lot of scattered heat along this line. We don't believe that scattered heat's even there any longer, but because of the weather conditions, we have not been able to conduct another flight. I anticipate that will happen about Monday-ish or so. I can tell you with the infrared satellite photos that we check on a daily basis, it is not showing any scattered heat throughout there. So once we can verify that there's no longer scattered heat along that line, this line in itself will turn black and show as containment. So that's the update for today. Everybody have a nice day.